Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 15 Pro Max with a cracked display and OMG, what happened to that frame? Let's find out. So this damage is quite extensive, so we can replace the display and we'll have to also mend the broken frame, and it's still bleeding inside, so this display is cooked and is still on. And this iPhone 15 Pro Max is miraculously still turned on. And wait till you see this. We'll pry the broken display. Okay, this is there you go. More bleeding and cracks are formed. It's quite a sad sight, and we'll take our time still. That looks scary. David is wearing some protective gear on the hands. We'll have to pry it slowly, of course, not to cause more damage. And oh my goodness, look at the dark blotches on the display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is still on, by the way. You just can't see anything from the display. That look at that display is quite bent from the looks of it, and it's not staying in place. This poor thing. We'll have to remove the screws for the retaining plates. This is SOP. There you go. Lift it up. And finally, the display will have to retire peacefully now. There you go. We'll still remove some components for the Face ID. Right there. And we'll test the replacement display right now. Go. Turn this on. And fortunately, the iPhone 15 Pro Max still lives on. There you go. Touchscreen is okay. Colors, all good. Warnings about the replacement part, nothing to worry about. Camera still initializing. We'll have to restart this smartphone. There you go. Looks good already. We'll push two buttons together. No response. Try again. There you go. And then the phone is turned off. We'll need to remove the Face ID module. It's quite thin. And smartphone still turns on. So we'll try to check again. Cameras, the system, the buttons. And as you can see, front and back cameras are okay. Zoom, lenses, all working fine. There you go. We'll remove the replacement display. Install the Face ID module that we removed from the old display. Put the retaining clip back on it. And let's fix the frame. So we'll remove the back cover. Back cover is miraculously still intact. It's also made up of glass. The iPhone 15 Pro Max back cover is like the older generation. You can still remove it without any problems. There you go. There's a connector there. Slice through the... There you go. There's a connector. to remove it. So we'll remove this so that we can straighten up the frame, and David will have to look for unconventional solutions for this issue. We remove one screw on the side there, on the affected area, and of course take out the pliers, and we've bent it back into shape. The cracked corner was mended by the magic pliers, because if we try to replace the housing, it will take a lot of time. Lots of parts will have to be transferred, and as you can see here, it still works. No, the last two pentalobe screws goes back in, and it looks like nothing happened. That's the magic touch of David. If you want to see miracles happen on your broken smartphone, from this one to immaculate condition, go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and we'll give you the satisfaction of seeing your device be renewed right before your eyes. And we'll throw in a few free tempered glass on this one. There you have it. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Really love restorations, and it didn't cost a lot. No need to buy a brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that's a lot of money. New display, yep, that's a fraction of the cost. So we'll see you again next time, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. New videos comes out every day. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.